Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to find trending Pinterest pins. So this is a good idea if you want to find ideas for your own content. You can see what is popular now and what the predictions are for the future. So navigate to your Pinterest page, and you're going to click on this tab in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to go over and click on Pinterest Trends. So there's a lot of useful information and data here you can use to plan your content. So you've got like trends in the spotlight, so things like vision board, career, Greek mythology. So they're looking like they're going to be popular this year. You've got like shopping trends, and then we've got search trends. So this is the bit we're going to look at today. So I'm going to click on view search trends, and here's where you can find trending pins. So to start with, you're going to click on interest, and what interest have you got for the trending pins. So for today, I'm going to click on finance. I'm going to see what keywords are popular in finance. And to find the pins that are trending for each keyword, you just have to click on it. So I'm going to click on money saving methods. Then I'm going to scroll down. It's giving you related trends, demographics of who's searching for that. And you can see popular pins. So these are the trending pins you can look at to help inspire your own content. So that's how you find trending pins on Pinterest. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.